under the Jubilee administration. Thank you for your time. Maybe a brief introduction and tell us about the dam in relation to rice farming here at Kirinyaga County.
Thank you. My name's Engineer Charles Mosia. I'm the head of infrastructure at the National Irrigation Authority. Thiba Dam is a project we have been undertaking to enhance food security and create income in this country and in this region of Kirinyaga. It's a project we started in the year 2018. And we have actually actualized the project in the targeted time, or the time in which we were expecting to do this project within 49 months. What I want to say is that behind me, we are standing right now on the dam wall, which is about 40 meters from the ground. And it's an embankment which will impound 15 million cubic meters of water. Impounding this water will enhance or increase the area under irrigation in more irrigation scheme by additional 10,000 acres. At the moment, we are doing 25,000 acres in a season. So with this dam, now we'll do 35,000 acres in a season, translating to 70,000 acres, because we'll be able to do 2 seasons in a year. In terms of the economy, we are growing the economy from 10 billion Kenya shillings to 16 billion Kenya shillings, and also creating additional 100,000 jobs from 250,000 to 350,000 jobs in a year in this in Mwea. Now, in terms of cost, the contract price was 8.2 billion Kenya shillings, and the way we have been able to manage this project, we will, and according to the projections,